So recently I had the chance to go hands-on with the new OnePlus 13. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the OnePlus 13 in all the three colors: Arctic Dawn, Midnight Ocean, and Eclipse Black. I'll give you guys a color comparison and talk about some of the changes from the OnePlus 12, but I'll also be uploading a detailed review very soon on the channel. So stay tuned and let's get started. Now getting to the unboxing, the packaging hasn't changed much. It's basically the same box from last year with 13 on it. Lift that lid up and you're greeted with a small compartment that has your quick start guide, your SIM ejector tool, and your free silicone case. In terms of accessories, you get a 100-watt SuperVOOC fast charger, which is really quick. In some regions, you're gonna get an 80-watt charger, and you also have the USB Type-C to Type-A cable in the signature OnePlus red color. Now last but not the least, you have the phone itself. Remove the plastic and peel that sticker off to reveal the three new finishes: Arctic Dawn, which is white, Midnight Ocean, which is the new blue finish, and Eclipse Black is your classic matte black. Now something to know is that the cases included with these phones are color matched. So with the white and black phone, you get a matte black case, and the Midnight Ocean gets you almost dark blue case. And all the phones this time around have a matte finish back, so there is no glossy finish, so fingerprints and smudges are going to be on the minimum this time around. Now talking about the Eclipse Black, this is your staple classic matte black finish. If you don't understand the other colors and you're confused, just go with the black phone. It's simple yet elegant. It's got almost a wood grain-like texture, which reminds me of the sandstone finishes from the glory days of OnePlus. It's that sandpaper-like look which you can feel, as well as you can see that glittery look under really bright light. You can use this phone even without a case, but just know that all the three finishes this time around are kind of slippery. They're not grippy, so I would recommend using a case if you don't want to drop the phone. Now talking about the Arctic Dawn, which is the white phone, you've got a matte back this time around. It's a frosted, soft touch matte back. There's not much texture or grip here either, and it's going to be very hard to show scratches, fingerprints, and smudges on this one, but you do get the risk of making it really dirty, so do use a case, just to keep it clean. And this is just a simple white phone. If you like white tech, go for this one. Now talking about my favorite finish from the bunch, the Midnight Ocean, or the blue phone, this has got a microfiber based vegan leather back, and the texture is very real. It feels like a leather phone, and it's very soft to the touch, almost velvety. And yeah, if you are gonna hold this phone in reality, you're gonna find out how it feels. Just looking at the pictures and videos doesn't do it justice, so go to a OnePlus store nearby you and actually experience this finish. There's also a difference here. So this Midnight Ocean phone actually has a silicone polymer back, whereas the white and black phone actually have a glass back. So that's the difference. And the Midnight Ocean is slightly lighter, so it's at 210 grams, and it's also slightly thicker, so 8.9 millimeters, whereas the black and white phone are 213 grams and they're 8.5 millimeters. So that's the difference. Another difference to note is that the sides on the black phone are matte, whereas the blue and white phone have glossy aluminum sides. So you have that chrome finish. And these are some of the small details which a lot of videos don't really talk about. I just wanted to mention them because a lot of people are confused between the colors. So this is your color comparison. You guys let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think about the three colors? Which one are you gonna buy? Which is your favorite? Personally, I really like the Midnight Ocean. I love the feel of that, microfiber based vegan leather. It's really soft and gives off that premium look. And this time around, the phone is actually thinner and lighter compared to the OnePlus 12. And you can feel it, like the phone feels more comfortable. In my opinion, it feels more premium now. And OnePlus has made some subtle changes to the design, like there's a shorter camera bump. It's an individual bump now. It's not connected to the side of the phone. And I personally like this design. And they also managed to put a bigger battery in this time around, which is really nice. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my quick unboxing and color comparison. A huge thanks to the OnePlus store in Forum Mall, Koramangala, Bangalore. They helped me get the phone for this video. Do check out the store if you're in Bangalore and you want to buy the new OnePlus 13. They're gonna have the best offers and deals. You also have other OnePlus devices as well as accessories. So again, I'll leave their contact details as well as address and location in the description down below. A huge thanks to them again. Like this video if you enjoyed it or if you found this video helpful in any way. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any questions. I will be uploading a full-blown review of the OnePlus 13 really soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.